Hello, in this video we're going to introduce the density measurements of solids. Usually, an unknown substance can often be identified if its density is measured and compared with the density of known substances. The following procedures could be used to measure the density of a substance. In case of a regular solid, first we measure its mass using a balance, and then we measure its dimensions using vernier calipers or a micrometer, and calculate its volume using the appropriate equation. If the object is a rectangular prism, then its volume is equal to the length multiplied by its width and the height. In this example, the length is 10, the height is 10, and the width is 5. So the volume is 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10 to give an answer of 500. If the object is a cylinder, in order to know its volume, the equation states that the volume of a cylinder is equal to the area of the base multiplied by the height. Here's the base, which is the area of the circle, multiplied by its height. The area of the base, which resembles a circle, is equal to pi multiplied by r squared. In this example, we substitute the terms. Pi is 3.14, the radius r is 5.39, it's marked here, and the height is 13. The answer is 1183.78 unit cubed. The volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. We substitute the value of the radius in the equation and find its volume. That's all.